Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are just continuing your previous chapter. Okay, so let's get started. So class 4, this is the last topic of your chapter number 10, that is addition and subtraction of metric measures. Okay, now we will learn how to add and subtract of metric measure, and first I am taking that of length. So I have written a question that add 22 kilometer 850 meter, 36 kilometer 282 meter and 73 kilometer 702 meter. Okay, so for adding them, you can see that here I am having two units. One is kilometer, another one is meter. Here also one is kilometer, another one is meter, and here also kilometer and meter. Okay, so for this first you have to make two columns. One is of kilometer and another one is of meter. Okay, so here 22 is in kilometer, so you will write 22 in the column of kilometer, and 850 is in meter, so write down 850 in the column of meter. Now again 36 in the column of kilometer and this 282 in the column of meter. 73 in the column of kilometer and 702 in the column of meter. Clear? So I have made two columns, one of kilometer, another one of meter, and I have written the digits according to the units they have given. Here 22 is in kilometer, so I have written 22, 36 and 73. As they all are in kilometer, I have written them in the column of kilometer, and they are in 850, 282 and this 702 are in meter, so I have written them in a column of meter. Now you have to add them. So this 2 plus 2 will be 4, here 0, so 4 plus 0 will be 4, okay. 8 plus 5 will be 13, carry goes 1, 3 will be written over here. Now 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, plus 1, 18, carry goes 1, 8 will be written here, okay. Now 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry goes 1, 2 will be written here. Here 7 plus 3 will be 10, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 1, 13. So I have added them, okay. As usual we used to add in the same way I have added them. Now you can see this 132 is in kilometer and this 834 is in meter. So your answer will be 132 kilometer and 834 meter, and this will be your answer. Okay. Now question number 2 is subtract 82 kilometer 655 meter from 95 kilometer 920 meter. So you have to subtract this part from this one. Again you have to make two columns, one of kilometer and another one is of meter. Okay, so you will write 95 and 920 according to the units they are having. 95 is in kilometer, so I have written 95 in the column of kilometer, and 920 in meter, so I have written 920 in the column of meter. Okay, and now next we are having 82 and this we are having 655. Now we will do the subtraction. Now here it is 0 and this is 5. You cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what you have to do, you will take a borrow from this 2. 2 will give borrow to this 0 and becomes your 10. This 2 become your 1. Okay. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay. Now here it is 1 and this is your 5. You cannot subtract 5 from 1. So what you do, this 9 will give borrow. It become 11 and this become your 8. Now 11 minus 5 will be 6. This is 8. 8 minus 6 will be 2. Okay. Now 5 minus 2 will be 3 and 9 minus 8 will be 1. Okay. So we have done with our subtraction. Now 13 is in the column of kilometer and 265 is in the column of meter. So this will become 13 kilometer 265 meter, and this will be your answer. Okay. Next we are having addition of mass. Okay. First we have done with length. Now I am doing with mass. So your question is add 215 kg, 250 gram, 112 kg, 400 gram, 95 kg, 860 gram. So same addition we have to do whether it's in length, mass or in capacity. Okay. So again you have to make two columns. Here I am having two unit, kilogram and gram. So I have made two columns, one of kilogram and another one of gram. Now write down the values according to the unit they are having. So this will be 215 and 250 will be written here. Next I'm having 112 and this 400 will be written over here. Then I'm having 95 and this 860 will be written over here. Now you have to add them. So all zeros, so this will be 0. Now 6 plus 5 will be 11. Now 8 plus 4 will be 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14. 14 plus 1 will be 15. Okay, so 5 you will be written over here and 1 will be goes and as a carry over here. Okay, now 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13. Carry goes 1, 3 will be written here. 9 plus 1 10, 11, 12. 12 carry goes 1 and 2 will be written here. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so we have done the addition. So your answer will be 423 kilogram and 510 gram. This will be your answer. So adding or subtracting these is very easy. They are just simple addition and subtraction as you used to do. Okay. This question is of subtraction and that is related with your capacity as it is having liter and milliliter, and I told you that liter and milliliter are the units related with the capacity. Okay, so again you have to make two columns, one of liter, another one of milliliter. Okay, so you have to subtract this 276 liter 425 milliliter from 925 liter 200 milliliter. Okay, so you will write 925 liter and this 200 milliliter and this is your 276 liter 425 milliliter. Okay, now you have to do the subtraction. You cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow. But again here is a 0. So what will we do? That we take a borrow from this 2 and this 0 becomes your 10 and this 2 become your 1. Clear? Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0 and this 0 become 10 and this 10 become your 9. Clear? Now 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 2 will be 7. Okay, now here it is 1. So you have to take borrow from this 5. 5 will give borrow and become 4 and this become your 11. Now 11 minus 4 will be 7. Clear? Now it is 4. This is your 6. You cannot subtract 6 from 4. Again you have to take borrow from this 2. This 2 become 1 and this 4 becomes your 14. Now 14 minus 6 will be 8. Okay, now here it is 1. Again this 9 will be giving borrow. 9 become 8 and this become 11. 11 minus 7 will be 4 and 8 minus 2 will be 6. So your answer will be 648 liter and 775 milliliter and this will be your answer. Next we are having multiplication and division of metric measure. So now we will learn how to multiply and divide these metric methods. Your first question is multiply 95 kg 25 gram by 9. Again you have to make two columns, one of kg and another one of gram. Okay, so this is your 95 kg and this is your 25 gram multiplied by 9. Okay, 9 5s are 45. Clear? 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, sorry 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Done with this one. Now 9 5s are 45. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 4, 85. Okay, so what you are getting in kg, this is 855 and what you are getting in gram, this is 225. So your answer will be 855 kg and 225 gram. This will be your answer. Okay. We will do one more question based on your multiplication. So that question number second is multiply 5 liter 145 milliliter by 8. So make two columns, one of liter, another one of milliliter. Okay, so you have to multiply them by 8. Okay, multiplied by 8. Now 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 0 will be written here. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4 will be 36, 3 carry, 6 will be here. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 will be 11. So carry goes 1 over here and 1 I have written here. Clear? So we have done with this 145. Now 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. Clear? So you are getting 41 liter 160 milliliter, and this will be your answer. Clear? So this is the way of doing the multiplication. Now